Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for Solana price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis. And starting on the daily chart here, we are still in our impulse towards the upside 1, 2, 3 and probably an extended wave 4 as an A, B and a C. As you can see here, we have 3 waves for your A and then 3 waves for your B and possibly 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, reaching those targets of course for your short-term bearish scenarios. Of course, having an A, B, C kind of is like very strong wave C towards the downside and bringing us between the 118 and the $103 for Solana. And in that case, of course, you would like to continue later on your wave 5 towards the upside. So in that case scenario, you are bearish and you're looking, of course, for lower prices and preferably that you consider that this could be a 1, 2, 3, 4 and a 5, but it is not really easy to get it because here as a 1, 2, you have a 1, 2 and then if you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then of course this would be your wave 3 and then 4 and a 5 to confirm that we have an impulse here towards the downside. So we still need several waves to confirm that you are in an impulse towards the downside before declaring 100% that we're moving to a wave C around these targets. In another scenario, you are bullish therefore, and of course you are looking at a finished WXY in this area where you have a finished W in a zigzag, finished X in another zigzag, and A, B, C, D, E for your wave Y. In a triangle, of course, structure where you have started a 1, 2, and then 3, 4, 5, probably as a wave 1 here. It can be an impulse or it can be a zigzag, A, B, and a C. Now, both case scenarios can bring you, of course, for a bullish scenario where you would like to have probably a diagonal or contracting diagonal 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And that because much probably that this is a zigzag because it looks like 3 waves toward the upside. And your wave 4 here is shorter than your wave 2 in time. And therefore, of course, higher possibility that this is an ABC zigzag toward the upside and you're looking to another zigzag here, possibly finished for a wave 2. So you are looking at 1, 2, and then 3, 4, and 5. Your perfect fib levels for a wave 3 would be the 0.78 and the 0.886, of course, between $300 and $325 for Solana. Now it can be your wave 3 an impulse 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 because in case that this was considered as an impulse towards the upside, your wave 3 should or it is mandatory to have, of course, an impulse. The same for your wave 5. So 1, 3, and 5 should be all of them impulsive waves. In case that we have a zigzag here, that therefore your wave 3 should be a zigzag and the same for your wave 5. And by all means, if you have a zigzag wave, you would like to see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, A, B, C correction again, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 to hit around those fib level for a wave 3, and then having a big 3 waves corrective, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for final zigzag ABC, and of course final impulse to finish this wave 5. And by all means, you would like to see a zigzag towards the upside, double impulse, and between of them one correction. We have hit so far perfectly now. Let's see the fib level that we have hit so far. Yes, perfectly. We have hit the 0.618 fib level, which is perfect for an impulse in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and also perfect in a contracting diagonal for 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 as well. So higher prices, of course, are much more considered here. If we move to the 1 hour chart to see what is going on closely, we can see that we have here a finished probably, yeah, I think this can be only 3 waves, guys. It cannot be really impulsive unless we want to consider 1, 2, and then 1, 2, and then 3, 4, and a 5. So in case we break this trend line, we break those fib levels, sorry, if we break those fib levels, the green one, therefore I would say, let's go to the 4 hour chart, I would say that this is a bearish scenario unfolding if we move towards the downside still, and we break the 0.786. Definitely we are looking here for $118 minimum target, and maximum target would be the $100 or $103 at 1.618, and that would be in double 1 2 3 4 5 4 5, guys, and then finishing this wave 4, big wave 4, and then start to move towards the upside. If we take a closer look on the KGT indicator, we can see, of course, on the 5-minute chart here, I think, yes, 5-minute chart, we have already kind of like a buy signal here in the bottom, and we have, of course, as also a bullish CVDs with divergence, which is perfect for a bullish scenario, of course, and the same that we are looking at right now. So you are looking here at two CVDs for bullish scenarios. Now be careful if we get with this last bullish bearish signal here and we get another new bearish signal, it will be convergence unless we take the high, of course. In case we take the high and this high with your bearish signal, that means, of course, we are moving for higher prices in Solana. So basically Solana looks a little bit much more in move today's. It looks much more energetic than Bitcoin even. We can see some move towards the upside. It looks very, yeah, like very impulsive somehow, like 1 2 3 4 and a 5 probably. And yeah, it is very probably that we move with our scenario here, which is a contracting diagonal towards the upside 1 2 3 4 and a 5. So this is the highest possibility right now, and thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comment. See you in the next one. Bye bye.